In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Miro. Whether you've switched email providers or just need to update your contact details, we're here to guide you through this simple process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your profile. In the upper right corner of your Miro dashboard, you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to select either Settings or Profile Settings from the list. This will take you to the area of Miro where you can adjust your personal information and preferences. Once you're in the Profile section, look for the Profile Details area. This part of the settings is where you'll manage your personal information on Miro. As you scroll down, you'll notice the email address field. Next to it, you'll see an option labeled Change Email. Click on this option to proceed with updating your email address. Now, you'll need to enter the new email address that you wish to use. It's important to double-check for any typos as you type it in to avoid any disruptions in accessing your account. Once you've entered your new email address, Miro will also ask for your current password. This step is crucial as it ensures that no unauthorized changes are made to your profile. Enter your password, then click Update Email to move forward. Miro will then send a confirmation link to the new email address you have entered. This is a standard security procedure to ensure that the new email is correct and active. Head over to your email inbox, find the message from Miro, and click on the link labeled Confirm Your Email Address. This action will verify the change in their system. After you've confirmed your new email, you might be asked to log in again using your old email address to finalize the changes, especially if you initiated this update from their desktop or tablet app. This is just to ensure that everything is securely transitioned. Lastly, for your peace of mind, Miro will send a notification to your old email address, confirming that your email information has been successfully changed. This serves both as a confirmation and a security measure to alert you that a change has occurred on your account. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your email address in Miro. This process helps keep your account secure and ensures you receive all communications correctly. Remember, keeping your contact details up to date is vital for maintaining the security and functionality of your online accounts. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.